$1. So I just watched a video series from Brian Trahan, I think his name was. And what he did is he turned $1 into $1,000. And what I thought I should do is, since I'm broke and I don't have any money except literally $1, I'm going to try to turn $1 into $10,000. Alright, so we got my old laptop. It's super dusty. Let's use whatever this is called. Let's see what we can do. Problem. Alright, well, it appears as if my keyboard doesn't work anymore. Alright, we good. Alright, so I honestly have no idea what I'm doing. I think what I'm gonna try to do is, like, I actually don't know. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is, right now, I'm gonna try to grow a TikTok account and an Instagram account. Because I'm gonna try to, like, promote something that I'm gonna do on my computer. But I'm not sure what that is yet. Like, I could do Photoshop or, like, one of those, like, tutorial things. Because a lot of people like those things. So, I'm just gonna grow my Instagram account right now. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm doing this trick that I found out where you just follow a bunch of celebrities. And for some reason, when you follow a bunch of celebrities, a bunch of random people follow you, which I don't know why, but it works. So that's what I'm going to do for the next 30 minutes. Alright, so the TikTok and Instagram thing did not work out. We only got 55 followers on Instagram. And literally none on TikTok, but I did get some views, so I know that this will work in the future. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, I know how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Here's proof, I guess. And so I was thinking to myself overnight, like, we're quarantined right now, so, like, everyone's looking for things to do. And I was like, what better thing to learn than a Rubik's Cube? So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make, like, a course that you have to pay for. And you get, like, this really in-depth tutorial on how to solve Rubik's Cube and how to get faster at it. So that's what I'm going to try to focus on today as my first step on my way to $1,000. Oh yeah, and my keyboard's working now. I don't know what was going on the other day. Okay, so I just made my account, and I just put the corniest statement ever. Bored and stuck at home? I am making easy-to-follow tutorials on how to do cool things, the easiest and most efficient ways to impress your family and friends. I really hope this works. Okay, so now I'm actually gonna start making it. Finally, after 2 days of just filming and putting together the slides, I finally finished. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna publish it. What? Okay, I finally posted it. So I'm gonna go to bed now and see if anything sells overnight. I'm uploading some that says go to my link to my bio and Instagram, because I put in my bio there's a link where you can buy my tutorial. Okay, so it is the next day. Let's see if any of my strategies worked. Come on. Here we go. Honestly, I really did not expect anything to happen. So what I think I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to promote like my service to a bunch of more people and see if anything happens. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm going on to this like hashtag math thing, because like I feel like people are obsessed with math. Maybe they would like to solve a Rubik's Cube, right? So I'm just copying and pasting this slogan that I came up with that says like this, and hoping someone goes to my bio, and then I can get the sale. So my account just got blocked until June 2nd, and that's like 4 days from now. So I don't know what to do. Okay, so it's the second day, and let's see if we have any sales. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wrap up the video, and if you guys want to see more of this series, make sure you subscribe and like the video, because honestly, I don't know if I can do this because I have no idea what I'm doing. And if you want to support me, and like obviously if you want to learn how to solve Rubik's Cube, because they're actually like I actually made a really good tutorial on it, there's a link in the description that you can click on it. It's only $10 to learn like an actual really good course on how to solve one. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you want to see another video of this series. Make sure you check out the link in the description.